Hi, welcome to Mono Market TV. I'm Chase. I'm here to talk to you about our fine detail needle tool for sculptors. This is a great tool for any type of clay. This is great for people making art dolls, great for people who make jewelry, and any type of sculpting that you want to be done. This has a great grip in the middle, so if you want to get real dirty, you can keep that grip and get the amount of control that you need. The tip here is, just like the name says, it's a needle. So this could be great for making beads, making that first initial hole. It's great for picking up pieces without getting fingerprints on them. It is just a very versatile tool that you need to add to your art arsenal. I'm Chase, this is Mondo Market, and you can pick up yours at Mondo Market TV. Thanks.